All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use what we call its technical name is an oscillating tool. A lot of people call it a multi-tool, and it does a little bit of everything. You put different types of blades. This particular one, which is the only one I got right now, I need to go buy some more. It's a bimetal blade, but it'll work on wood. I'd rather have a wood blade for what I'm doing. All right, but you can get wood blades, bimetal blades. There's all sorts of blades that you can put on these things. There's like little teeth in here that lock into these little grooves. I don't know if you can see the grooves on that or not. And you can do a little bit of everything with this. It's really for small stuff in a house. If you're building a house, you need to cut some shims off, or you've got some wood sticking out past another piece of wood and you need to shave it off. It'll do a little bit of everything, but it's really for smaller work. If you need anything big, I would probably go to my reciprocating saw. All right, so this is more for small, detailed, intricate type work. I'm not saying it's only for that, but that's mainly what it's for. Pop the battery in, it's got a light on the end, and I don't even know if you can see this, but it just vibrates back and forth, left and right. Okay, so I've got a little piece of wood now. I got a little piece of wood here on this birdhouse to where the wood this piece is higher than this piece. So if I wanted to shave that off a little bit, all right, I can take this and shave it off. You use this a lot of times in, like if you're putting in doors and the jamb is sticking out too far past something, you can shave a little off of it. Now, it depends on what I'm doing. I may sand this down, but if it's too much to sand down, like it's gonna take me forever to sand down, or I can't get to it with a sander, then I could switch over to my multi-tool. So I can take it. I can shave that off. Now, depending on what I'm doing, if this is in a house, if that's gonna get covered up, leave it the way it is and move on. If it's something that's not gonna get covered up, I'm probably gonna have to sand it down and make it look nice. Okay, so it really depends on what you're doing, but it's just, you can shave off. Real tiny amounts of wood, but this thing, you really gotta have one if you're building a house. They're a lifesaver, all right? And you can put the blade in, make sure my blade's not hot. Put the blade in sideways, upside down, however you need to get to stuff. So if it's not at a perfect angle for something, you can put it in sideways. You put it straight up and down, however you need to. But really handy little tool. Again, it's called an oscillating tool, or a lot of people call it a multi-tool.